Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Summer Waves Elite 16-foot by 48-inch frame pool with Skimmer Plus. Make a splash this season with the Summer Waves 16-foot by 48-inch Elite frame pool. This durable above-ground pool features a 1,500-gallon skimmer plus filter pump with ground fault circuit interrupter, cover, sure-step ladder, ground cloth, and deluxe maintenance kit. Easy and quick setup will have you cooling in no time at all. Product benefits: durable 3-ply puncture-resistant material, uniquely shaped frames that are stronger than traditional metal frame pools, complete accessory kits included to make pool maintenance easier and more enjoyable. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.